Hi guys, so I'm Skylar and this is Brianna. So we're gonna have a squishy haul. So this is all our squishies and we're gonna do an unboxing. So I unboxed this one, which I really like. It's not a needle, just came in the package. And now we have this one. I already unboxed. It says "You Are Enough." It's a needle. Then we have the gummy bear. And it's not my favorite, but I still like it. This is also a needle. Then we have this big, tremendous duck. It's rainbow. I just got it today. And then we'll start with the ones that we haven't unboxed, and now we're going to unbox them.
Can I unbox some?
You can unbox, we'll split them in half. Okay.
So you have to, I have to?
Sure, so I'll take this one and this one, then you can unbox those. So first, we're gonna unbox, don't unbox them yet. So first we're gonna unbox the Icicle needle. So this is a real one. So here, I just ripped the back. And then it's so satisfying.
Can I push it?
And this thing isn't fully hard, it's bendy. Now Brianna's gonna try. Okay. So we'll put this one in our collection.
I open this.
Okay, here. Wait. Now, here, I'll get it started for you. Okay, so now Brianna's gonna unbox this one. I'm just getting it started for her because she doesn't know how to open it. Okay. So now she's gonna pull it out. So tell them how it is. Is it good?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna hold it close to the camera. It's so satisfying.
It's soft.
I like the little hairs on it.
Yeah, can I play with it?
Sure.
It's soft.
Now I'm gonna unbox the one that I'm most excited for.
This is so soft.
I know. I love that one. I'm gonna be unboxing the jellyfish.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm so excited for this one.
I love needles. This one's so soft.
I know.
Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah.
I love this one.
Can I push it?
Hold on just a second. It has little frillies, and I like the little thingy things. And it's so squishy. I love it. And it's not as hard as one of the nice cubes. Okay.
Thank you. I love this little teddy door.
So now we're unboxing this thing. Okay, I'll get it started for Brianna.
Yeah. I love this needle. I love these needles.
Where the heck did my cat go?
That's right there.
I know. So now she's going to be unboxing the needle swirl. Is it satisfying?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, this one's so cool.
There's a knife in tummy.
Ah! Okay. So now I love this one. It's so satisfying.
This one's so soft.
So now I'm gonna say which ones are my
soft.
favorite and things.
I'm gonna see which one's my favorite too.
So
this one's my favorite. This one is my favorite.
This one?
This one is my favorite.
This one.
This
one is also her favorite.
So this is my favorite.
So mine's the jellyfish or this little fuzz ball.
Yeah.
I love pink, so this is good. Then my second favorite is probably
my second favorite
is
this possible.
Yeah.
And my third favorite
is
this hoe.
So this is my second favorite, and this is my third
This is my third favorite. And
that's your third favorite?
And this is my second favorite.
Oh.
The possible.
So these are my top. Here, can I use this for a second? These are my top 4. And I'm going to have another video coming soon. In just a few days. And thank you guys so much for getting me to 148 subscribers. That's awesome. It only took me 2 days. So thank you guys so much. And peace out.